Why the Earth's core is cooling at an alarming rate. The Earth's outer core is losing its heat. This process is slowly but surely hardening our planet. It will eventually transform into a barren world, like Mars or Mercury. But first, it will lose its magnetic field, letting cosmic radiation in. What else is in store for us? Let's briefly revisit the internal structure of our planet. Earth's interior is divided into three major layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The crust is the topmost layer that is hard and brittle. It extends from the Earth's surface to the Mohorovicic discontinuity, or MOHO. It sits about 6.2 miles below the seafloor. Beneath the MOHO lies the mantle. This dense layer makes up more than half of Earth's volume. The mantle is separated from the core by the Gutenberg discontinuity. It's located about 1,800 miles below the surface. However, the layering doesn't end here. The core is also divided into two parts: the inner core and the outer core. The outer core is molten, largely composed of liquid iron and nickel. The inner core is solid and much denser than both elements. It's also the planet's hottest spot, with temperatures as high as 11,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This molten interior is like a beating heart. It's what keeps our planet going. Due to the planet's motion, the fluid inside Earth creates an electric current. This current, in turn, produces a magnetic field. It's a crucial factor in the Earth's habitability. It holds the planet's atmosphere against the pull of the sun. The magnetic field also deflects harmful cosmic radiation. In addition, it allows us to navigate with a compass. The Earth's landmass consists of 15 tectonic plates. Because the interior is not solid, they continuously move. This in turn triggers tectonic activity. It sustains life by stabilizing global temperatures and the carbon cycle. The interior needs to remain molten for all of this to work. However, the inner core has been cooling since the day it formed. Scientists say it's happening surprisingly fast. How fast? So far, this remains a mystery. One way to answer that question is to study the minerals. These minerals make up the Earth's core mantle boundary. That's where rock meets the molten core. This layer, however, is physically difficult to examine. Therefore, scientists conduct their experiments in the lab. They studied bridgemanite, the material that forms the core mantle boundary. The results were stunning. Apparently, bridgemanite has more conductivity than they thought. Hence, it flows out of the core faster, speeding up the cooling process. What does this mean for our planet? Well, once the core completely cools down, the Earth will become inactive. Basically, all geological activity will cease. The Earth will then turn into a barren world, similar to the Moon. Sadly, the full story remains a mystery. Yet one thing is certain: it won't be a fast process on the human scale.